Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining all about water cycle working model, how this really water cycle works and how we have implemented this water cycle working model. So water cycle, how it works, so that I'm going to explain in this video. Water cycle starts with from the collection. The collection we talk about where the water is getting collected. It could be your river, it could be your ocean, or it could be your lake and so on. So water is getting collected in this collection area. Morning when sun is there, water is getting heated up, and when water is getting heated up, it get evaporates. When it get evaporates, that means the water from the collection area, it moves towards above the atmosphere. When it moves towards above the atmosphere, it moves in a gaseous form, and as it moves, that gaseous will get converted into small droplets of water. When that small droplets of water which is get mixed with dust or whatever the materials available in the environment, that get mixed and it forms the cloud as part of the condensation. When these clouds meet with the cold weather, that is the time what happens is the precipitation happens. That is when the rain forms. Again, that rainwater will come into this collection area. So this is how the entire water life cycle really works. So now we are going to demonstrate really how this working model really works. First, we are going to switch on the sun here. So now when sun is get switched on, what happens is the water getting heated up. Now when water is getting heated up, what we have done is by making use of this humidifier or mist maker circuit, so we are going to showcase how the evaporation is going to happen from the water. You can see, right? So we are going to switch on this humidifier. Now the water is getting heated up or getting boiled. With that, what happens is the mist humidifier is demonstrating like a evaporation. Now this evaporated air, what it does is it moves towards the above the atmosphere. When it gets condensed, what happens it is going to form as a clouds. When that clouds get cooled up, what happens is the precipitation happens. With that precipitation, rain is going to happen. You can see, right? So we are getting rains here. So this is how the entire cycle of water cycle happen from sea water, lake water, it get evaporates, then it forms the clouds. Again, we get it as a rain. So that's how the entire life cycle of water is going to work. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about the water cycle, how we can really implement it in a realistic and in a creative way, this water cycle. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.